What's up, guys? So I'm very hot and sweaty. We just done some recording with the drone and some stuff, trying to get some shots of this thing out in the sun. It's a little bit cloudy, as you can see, so we really didn't get a chance to take full advantage of full sunlight. It's getting ready to rain. I got to get this thing back over into the garage to get it under a car cover. But anyway, big shout out to my dude Josh Dominguez. He doesn't really do this professionally, but he definitely does a professional job. I'm gonna put a link to him on the bottom of this description so you guys can check that out. But I am beyond satisfied about how this car came out. I'm gonna flip the camera around so get another shot of it. Again, the sun's not out, but man, it looks just like, it definitely has not looked this good since I've owned it, and it probably didn't look this good coming from the factory, if I'm honest. So yeah, exhaust is still hanging a little low, but man, oh man, I am excited. I love these shots like this right here, these mirror shots. It's just, it's like there's not even paint there, it's just chrome. It's so awesome. Still been rocking the Paul Walker sticker for about 6 years now. Actually, I got it basically as soon as they were able to be bought. Just super excited about this thing, and can't wait to show it off and tell everybody who did the job so I can overwhelm him with a bunch of work. So the agony of being defeated over and over and over again when you're putting a project together, that last 10% that takes 90% of the time, that is by far the hardest part of the mountain to climb. And you lose a little bit of track of energy and momentum of when you're bolting big stuff together. Stuff goes together quick, and then you got to do all the wiring and making sure everything fits and works, and then if it doesn't, then you got to research and dig some more and everything. But moments like this right here that just make it all worth it. You're able to sit back and kind of bask in the glory of everything, and the efforts and everything that goes into it leads up to this point, and you can just relish the effect of what you have built, what your dreams have been. And then actually spending like 2 years, I said it on another video, I spent 2 years mentally building this thing, looking at exactly what I wanted to get, when I wanted to get it, and have everything ready. And then I'm able to put it all in the car and then see it transform into this. It's just astounding, and it's not even done. It's so not even done. There's the nitro system that's got to be put back on it. The interior's got to be put back together. It's the reason why you guys haven't seen it yet, is it does need a little bit of work inside. The center console and stuff's a little too ugly for me to show off, I guess. So go in the car again, but I am just super excited on how this come out. The paint on the hood, tell you how the paint on the hood's brand new, literally brand new, and it does an extremely good job of crossing over to the fender. You can't tell that there's a 18 year difference between the paint on the fender and the paint on the hood. You cannot tell, and it just looks so good. It looks so good. Anyway, I am extremely happy with the way it turned out. I'm extremely happy with the progress that's been made. I wish it could have been done a whole year sooner, but you do what you can do when you can do it. So I want to end this video off here. It's a little short one, kind of keep you guys updated. I got to get this thing into the garage because these clouds here just do not look good. So you guys take her easy. I'll see you again probably in a few days. I'll be back working on the interior, and hopefully I'll be able to show you guys that and kind of go through what's all going on in there, because there is a lot happening. So I will see you guys then. See you later.